Hey guys, Russell here. Today we're going to talk about another Flexbar video. We're going to do one on golfer's elbow. So that's on the inside part of the elbow. I've already seen one or done one on lateral epicondylitis or tennis elbow. Have a look up here and you'll see the link to that one. I'll link you to that. So golfer's elbows on the inside of the arm here too. We see this quite often with golfers, of course, but it's not just golfers. We'll see it with everything. This one's a little complicated. There's two kinds of flex bars. There's actually three. Here's the little easier one, the yellow, and the red one's a little bit tougher. And there's actually a green one out there, but I'll be honest with you, it's too tough. I rarely give that one. So I'm going to show you on yellow today. So if my golfer's elbow's on my right-hand side here, what you're going to do is you're going to hold it in your left hand first of all, thumb facing up, hold like this in front of you. You're going to take your golfer's elbow, you're going to turn it around so thumb is facing down. So it's kind of awkward, as I said. Grab hold of it here. This one is going to turn away from you. Okay, the top one is going to turn it away. You're going to bring your arm straight, and your right arm, where your golfer's elbow is going to slowly release it. Okay, so I'll do it again. Thumb up on the good arm. Bad arm flips around, so almost the thumb is facing downwards. Top arm is going to turn it. Bring your arm straight, and slowly release it. And you're going to feel a bit of a tension through here. Should be painful. You may feel a little bit of tension. Give those a try. Try about 2 sets of 10 for that one. First time. If you feel it's too easy, you can switch to the red one. All right. Any questions on golfer's elbow or other issues, give us a shout. We'll take a look at it and have a look. See ya.